How'd that one? Pretty smooth? Did you check it? A little bit more?
Feel it.
Oh, a little bit more right there. Oh, which way? You gotta go this way, remember? Yeah. Good.
Now feel it.
Oh man, that is smooth now. Do right here too. Really good. You are great at sanding. Oh man, that is smooth. Awesome work. Okay, you want to come on to this side?
Yeah, because this side is smooth.
Yeah, you did an awesome job. Take your time. Do it slow. Check it. See how smooth it is. Pretty good?
Touch it.
Touch it? Oh, I'll check it. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness gracious. You have done a great job. That is smooth. Awesome. You're a great helper.
I can be dirty too.
You do?
Yeah.
I think you are dirty, silly. Look at your pants. Uh-oh. Look how dirty you are.
My shirt is not dirty.
Yeah, you don't want to get that shirt dirty. We don't want to ruin it.